Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you my new parts that I recently purchased. This was supposed to be the Core i9 4900K, and it is. This is the i9 4900K. We do have the motherboard, that is MSI Pro 760M-P. We do have the Samsung 990 Pro 1TB NVMe, like I said before. We do have the RAM. We do have the Kingston Fury 32GB DDR5 the XMP certified for the Intel. We do have the graphics card. This is the RTX 5070 Ti 16GB of VRAM. The case is the Zalman DS50 black with tempered glass. We do have the sides, 3 fans included, and for the rear another one. We do have the power supply. I'm going to be using mine because the power supply, if I had to purchase, I was planning to go a Corsair, but they were out of stock. Let's see how it goes using this one, the Chieftech Navitas 1250 watts. And I also added to the build the cable sleeves for the power supply. I'm not entirely sure if the length of the power supply are enough in order for me to make the proper cable management inside the case. And lastly, we do have the mouse, the Razer Basilic. That's kind of about it. So I'm going to start this build. See you soon. Alright guys, I have reached to a point where I'm supposed to unbox the video card. This is the Palit, pardon. I'm going to move aside the case. So far my build looks like this. It's been a lot of trouble rerouting the wires into the back of the case. I'm going to show you, since the power supply is quite large and the cables are quite thick, it's very hard to reroute everywhere behind the case. So yeah, now let's go to the unboxing. We do have here the palette. Pardon, it's very hard for me to keep it with one hand. Okay, but I'm going to succeed anyway. This is the I don't know, it's a flyer, I think, nothing important. We do have the pad, the mouse pad, that it's important to use it, because if you use a high precision mouse like Corsair or Razer, you're going to need this mouse pad. And what else? Now this is the okay, inside the case we found this kind of type of connector. It only goes for the 8-pin and 8-pin accordingly, and at the other end we do have the 12-pin connectors, you see. So we're going to use this one. And the graphics card itself looks just the way you see it right here. I'm so sorry for the mess that I created here, because I was supposed to do things properly, but yeah. So this is the dual slot. The video card is the Palit. I wanted the 5080 RTX, but I couldn't because it was almost double the price. I already said that in the video. Yeah, anyway, so see you in the build very shortly. I unboxed the video card once again. I'm going to show you the into the back. We do have the mini display port and HDMI. I'm going to flip it aside so you can see better from the different angle. Mini display port, three display port, pardon, and one HDMI that is shown here to the last. We do have on the On the top we do have the 12-pin connector, and I already hooked it to the hooker up to the to these sleeves of the power supply for the Chieftech, and so far my system looked like this. So yeah, see you very shortly. At the final stage, the PC assemble looks exactly how you see it here. I was supposed to create more space here inside for the 24-pin connector here. It does look kind of messy. The cooler for the CPU, it looks amazing in my opinion. Inside the case, the connector that wasn't supposed to be hanging out right the way you see it here, but it does. In front we do have the USB 3.0 headphones, and alongside with the microphone that is shown here, and the Type-C, and the reset and the power button. Other than that, everything seems to be working exactly how I said into the video. Also, this button may change color inside the case. So if I'm pressing down, it just show me the greenish color. Right now it's blue once again. This is white, blinking white. This is pink, and now we have the blue and pink inside. Red, yellow, green again. So the PC doesn't have the optical drive. I mean, all PCs, the modern ones, they don't have. They just simply remove the optical drive. I like this case. Just be careful with this case, because there's a problem with rerouting the cables inside. I mean, the space inside, it's very thin. So if you're buying a power supply, the Corsair, let's say 1200i, you're not gonna be able to reroute very well. So you're gonna need a lot of zip ties, because the space inside the case, it's thin, and yeah, it's kind of disadvantage in my opinion. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please put them in my comments.